Restlessness. Restlessness is a noun that describes a state of being unable to stay still or calm due to a feeling of unease or dissatisfaction. It is often associated with a lack of contentment or a strong desire for change or action. When someone is restless, they may feel an inner agitation or a constant need to move or do something. Here are a few examples to illustrate the meaning of restlessness. 1. Physical restlessness. Imagine sitting in a long and boring lecture. You find it hard to concentrate, your legs start bouncing up and down, and you keep shifting in your seat. This is a manifestation of physical restlessness caused by an inability to stay still due to the feeling of unease or boredom. 2. Emotional restlessness. Let's say you are waiting for an important phone call that will determine the outcome of a job interview. As the time passes, you start feeling increasingly anxious and restless. You may pace back and forth, constantly check your phone, or find it difficult to focus on any other tasks. This emotional restlessness stems from the anticipation and nervousness about the result. 3. Restlessness as a personality trait. Some individuals have a natural inclination towards restlessness. They are constantly seeking new experiences, challenges, or changes in their lives. For example, a person may frequently change jobs, move to different cities, or take up various hobbies to satisfy their restless nature. 4. Restlessness due to dissatisfaction. Suppose you have been working in the same job for many years, and you feel stuck in a routine. Despite having a stable income and a comfortable life, you have a persistent feeling of restlessness. This restlessness arises from a sense of dissatisfaction or a desire for something more fulfilling or meaningful. In all these examples, restlessness refers to a state of being unable to find peace or contentment, leading to a constant need for change, action, or movement. It is important to note that restlessness can manifest in different ways for different individuals, and its intensity may vary based on the situation or the person's personality.